from the Lakeside Newsroom of the Henrico Citizen, your hometown news source since 2001. This is the Henrico News Minute with publisher Tom Lapis.
An update on the many data center bills filed during this year's General Assembly session. And Henrico plans a Senior and Caregiver Expo. We'll tell you about those stories and more in today's Henrico News Minute. It's Wednesday, March 18th, 2026. We'll see a high of 45 today under mostly cloudy skies. The News Minute is brought to you today by Onyx Elite.
And now for the news.
Lawmakers in the General Assembly filed dozens of bills directly aimed at regulating the data center industry in Virginia, but only a handful have passed. One Senate bill that did would allow the State Corporation Commission to decide if it will approve shifting more costs onto data centers and large manufacturing facilities for the electricity that Dominion Energy generates and distributes to them. Another Senate bill that passed would direct water utilities statewide to report monthly or quarterly within their ability without raising rates, an aggregate estimate of how much water is going to data centers. Data center operators have been able to shield their water usage needs largely from the public as industry secrets. Another Senate bill that passed would require applicants asking localities to rezone for high-load users like data centers to submit a site assessment report that would have to examine the project's potential impact on agricultural resources, parks, historical sites, and forest land, and confirm alignment with the locality's sound and zoning ordinances. You can read more about these bills and several others that passed right now on our website, henricocitizen.com, from our partners at Virginia Mercury. Henrico County's annual Senior and Caregiver Resource Expo will be held on Friday, March 27th, designed to promote wellness and safe aging in place among older adults. It'll take place from 10 a.m. to noon at the Deep Run Recreation Center on Ridgefield Parkway. More than 50 local vendors are expected to participate, including medical care providers, nonprofits, personal care agencies, and government agencies. Attendees can enter to win raffle prizes. You can learn more by calling 804-501-5065 or visiting our website and looking for this article. And registration will open today for the Henrico County Office of Virginia Cooperative Extension's 2026 Henrico Junior 4-H Camp. That'll take place July 27th through 31st at the Jamestown 4-H Educational Center near Williamsburg. The program is open to children ages 9 through 13. Camp is designed to provide a fun and safe environment for kids to learn, make friends, and discover the outdoors. The early rate is $420 per camper through Wednesday, April 22nd. The price then goes up to $450. You can find a link to register right now on our website, henricocitizen.com. And also today on our website, you want to check out our latest Henrico Small Business Spotlight. Today we shine the light on DG Books, run by author David Gorman, a Pennsylvania native who has penned a series of kids' books called the Waldemere Mystery Files based on an amusement park in his native Erie, Pennsylvania. You can learn much more right now on our website. Today's Henrico News Minute has been brought to you by Onyx Elite. At Onyx Elite, they combine cash-based physical therapy and elite performance training to help athletes and active adults move better, get stronger, and perform at their highest levels. They're centrally located in Richmond on West Clay Street near the Willow Lawn Shopping Center. Learn more online at www.onyxelite.com. That's ONYX elite.com, or call them at 804-269-7696.